guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my first ever Louis Vuitton luxury haul because I'm super excited. If you guys didn't know, I did go to Posh Party LA a couple months ago, and I did get these items from the event, so I will leave the link below to that vlog if you guys haven't seen it. They were having like luxury giveaways, they were having Poshers selling at the event, and it was just super exciting. So I got this from here, and this is my Louis Vuitton bag. So first I'm gonna start with the first thing I got, which I'm super excited, I'm absolutely obsessed, is my Louis Vuitton backpack. You guys, if you guys know me, you guys did see I got my Michael Kors backpack. I'm a huge backpack girl. I have Disney bags, I have Hello Kitty bags from Hot Topic. Like, I just really love backpacks. I don't know why I say bags, backpacks. So I was super excited when I saw this. So this, I believe, is in the Palm Springs style. You guys see how it looks right here, and then the back like this, and has a little Louis Vuitton emblem right there. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. You guys can see the inside. The inside looks like that. There's like a compartment on the inside. There's a zipper right here, you guys can see. I love the mini backpacks just because I feel like they're the perfect size. I'm at the point where I don't have to really pack too much stuff when we go out because my kids are older now. My son's gonna be turning 5. My daughter just turned 9, so I don't have to pack as much. But you guys, I absolutely love this style. It's super cute. I want to show you guys how it looks on. Super cute. I cannot wait to actually go and wear this out. This is gonna be like my daily bag when I'm going places, even if it's just to the grocery store. It doesn't have to be anywhere fancy, but love my backpacks. I also got 3 wallets. So here they are right here. They are the monogram wallets. You guys can see. You guys, this is my favorite. I love it how it has the V right here with the gold hardware, and the back has the V. Now these are vintage Louis Vuitton wallets. You guys can see it has this in here. Let's show the other side. This is the actual wallet part. You guys can see has the little place where you can put the money and everything. I absolutely love this. And you guys can see, where does it say? Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. It's really hard to see, but it's like up there. But this is going to be my everyday wallet. I'm about to switch out, you guys. Right now I do have my Michael Kors backpack and wallet set, but I'm about to switch my Louis set. So that's the first one. The second one is this one. This one just has a gold hardware, just the square one. The back's the same. I'm gonna open it here. This is the little thing where you put your coins. I open this, is the actual wallet part. It looks like this. You put the money in here. And then right here, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. You guys can see. So there's my second one. I'm probably gonna switch out between these two. My daughter's been asking me, can I have this one? So I might let her use it every once in a while, but they are mine. And then I did get one for my wallet. For my husband, this is a men's Louis Vuitton wallet. You guys see right here. This is how it looks, the front and the back. Sorry for the back, y'all. My kid's cracking up at YouTube. Here's how this looks. The Louis Vuitton Paris. This one says made in Spain. Okay, made in Spain. Like I said, these are all vintage. Open this part. Has the little place right there. You can put the money in right here. Yeah, so all vintage wallets. But yeah, you guys, I'm super excited with what I got. I love it, love it, love it. So if you guys haven't signed up for Poshmark already, the link is in my description box. I'm loving this. I'm super happy with everything I got. And here's my little bag. You guys can see Louis Vuitton bag. I love the blue handles, super nice. But yeah, you guys, so if you guys are interested in joining, check out my link below. Also check out my boutique, you guys. I do have my own boutique on Poshmark. It's called Dassah'S Hair Boutique. I sell mostly hair, lashes, like beauty products. I have started to get in a little bit like home decor, electronics, and everything like that. So you guys will find a little bit of everything over on my boutique. But follow me there. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. Thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this haul. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.